This is the old style of living, you know, in this desert, and they're happy. It's pretty remarkable.
We're going to eat together there around that very fire. I mean, this is proper hospitality. Oh, wow.
This looks beautiful.
Oh, grazie.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
This is a wonderful treat. Back home, we'll be getting ready with turkeys and beef, and this is completely different.
Mr. Larossi is going to serve us now.
Look at the children's faces.
If I give this to my kids, they will never talk to me again.
Trust me, it is delicious. It's important for the guests to eat the eyeballs here as a tradition.
Right. Oh, really? This is going to be like a bush tucker trial.
Oh, shukran. It's for me.
This one with the eye for the guest. You have the second eye of the sheep.
Oh, Gordon?
No, for,
Huh?
no, for you. Listen
For
to
what?
Don't argue. See, yeah.
What did he get, a dick?
It's the head.
Ah, okay.
You don't have that in the head.
Unless you're a dickhead.
Merci beaucoup. Do we say grace?
We say Bismillah.
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 Thank you. I've got a cheek. This sheep's head's delicious. Really good. Oh my God. How's the eyeball?
It's gorgeous.
His suggestion that tomorrow you will go to the Medina for a certain cooker. He's called Hajj Mustafa. He's doing the meshwi.
Hajj Mustafa.
Hajj Mustafa.
Can I ask Grandad, how was the fish?
كي جاك الحوتة سحر. زوين. Number one.
Number one. Thank you.
Should we have the sweet bread?
You like it?
Buono?
Brava.
Brava. Brava. Sì, she talks Italian now.
So every Christmas and New Year, we always clink glasses and go, cheers.
Salute.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers. Merry Christmas.
Merry Desert Christmas.
Merry dessert
Desert
Christmas.
Christmas.
This is where we're going to sleep?
What do you
Seriously?
mean we're going to sleep? This is all open, man.
What is this bag?
It's Christmas decoration. I got all the Christmas decoration. So then it looks like it's Christmas.
Where are you going now?
I need to go for a wee and I'm getting changed.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
What kind of decoration did you have, Gordon, when you were at home, when you were a boy?
Chocolate Santas and gingerbread men.
But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door.
You have to be kidding me.
It's warm and it's cozy. I don't care.
Shoes. Come around here. I want you to go on my shoulders so you can go on the top of the tree.
Are you kidding me? Say, one sec. Oh, this is going to look beautiful, Gordon. Oh, the eyeball is repeating on me, huh?
Don't you dare fart. I
got the eyeballs coming out.
You keep that in that fucking onesie. Don't you dare. Get him down. Get him down.
Look, guys.
Oh,
there is
please.
a star as well. Look. These people, they may not celebrate Christmas, but we definitely brought Christmas to Morocco. How about that?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
I used to love it when it was snowing at Christmas, because that really confirmed that Father Christmas was literally en route.
Gordon, can I have some of the quilt?
You seriously only had one flipping job to do.
Fucking hell. Useless.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Gordon, Gino, and Fred are in town. Ready, boys?
Oh, yes.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, 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 you better. Oh!
Gordon, 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 Gordon! Don't antagonize the locals, please.
After our debacle in the desert, thank God we've been reunited with our trusty camper van.
Let's not get arrested.
But you're supposed to be navigating. We're heading into Marrakesh's old town, or Medina, and trying to find the main square, Jamal El Fanar. You know where we're going, right?
I have no